Kurt Pearson of Compass Financial has dropped by again, and Kurt, it's tax time. Everybody's gathering up those documents. What kinds of things should we be thinking about right now?
Well, first of all, it's always good to be very proactive, not wait till the last minute, because there may be some last-minute decisions that can be implemented that would really help minimize your tax liability. So we always encourage people, hey, this time of year, get everything gathered up, get your appointment set with your professional, get in to see them and see if there's some additional things that can be done.
Okay, and once you get everything sorted out and you have it in all the different piles, what do you do next?
Well, once you go into the professional, make sure that everything gets input correctly. And I think it's always good if you're using a CPA or a tax professional to just press them a little bit for some advice. Here are some of the decisions that we made over the past year. It's kind of a timeline of those decisions. Of course, one of the obvious ones with so many folks still searching for work, some of those job search expenses may be deductible. So it's just very important to share not only the facts and the figures from the reports, but also a little bit about what's going on in your life with your professional so they can be listening to maybe some deductions that aren't typical.
Okay, and a lot of people do taxes themselves. They're better people than me. What kind of pointers do you have for those people?
Well, yeah, the TurboTax folks, that program is excellent. It can really be used. The thing that I always say is, hey, every 2 or 3 years, just go in and use a professional just to confirm your work and to get some advice from the people that are professionals in the field. And obviously, if you're using TurboTax and you've had significant changes during the year, a significant life transition, you just got married, you just had a child, retired, whatever, significant transitions, that's always a red flag to say, hey, maybe this is the year that we use a professional. After you use the professional, then you may be able to go back to the TurboTax or the do-it-yourself, approach.
Yeah, no offense to the feds, but you don't want to mess with the IRS.
That's right.
Okay, Kurt Pearson, Compass Financial, thank you very much. If you have any other questions of Kurt, or say maybe you need a financial planner, here's Kurt's contact information, phone number, and web address right there. So thank you, Kurt. We appreciate you coming in today.
It's good to be here.